In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Pocket FM customer support team. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do, the best way is to go to a site called pissconsumer.com. So I'll just type it in here, Piss Consumer. All right, so here's the company or the website, pissconsumer.com. This site is great to find hard to reach emails, phone numbers of different companies' websites. So once we're here, we want to click on the search button and then type in Pocket FM. And now here it is here. So if we scroll down, we'll find reviews, Q&A, and contacts. Click on the contacts tab. Now, if we scroll down, it will give us a few options here. We'll just skip over the ad. It will say call customer service. So you can click on the blue button. You can send them a message if you rather send them a message via email, or you can call this other customer service number as well. If we scroll down, there might be a few more. So we got Pocket FM email. So we got business customer service, legal, care at Pocket FM. And if we click on more phone numbers and emails, they might give you a few more details as well.